Hey guys, so I want to share a fun, quick, and easy DIY you can do as a gift for someone. The holidays are here and it's time for gift giving. And for me, I wanted to make these cute monogram jackets for my nieces and my nephew. My nephew likes Mickey, my other niece is a princess, she says all the time, and the other one loves music. So I wanted to incorporate something just for them that is really personable to them. So that's what's fun about these jackets. You can kind of cater it to the person that you're creating it for and make it something special that's just for them. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Super easy. Everything's linked below if you want to create the same thing. All right, let's get started.
Oh, you're getting it. Okay.
This is for you. And Jag, look. This one is for you. Yeah.